What's up, everybody? Just another day in the kitchen. Today is December 11th, so you already know it's a new release day. Might not be what you're expecting. This one's gonna be a little different, but you already know since it's from the kitchen, it's gotta be some heat and it's gotta be exclusive, so you see what that is. Nah, we're not about to review another YEEZY. Forget about that. You know what the vibes are. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm sure you guys could tell from the title of the video and the Instagram post, and if you haven't followed the Instagram, you're slacking, you're sleeping. I'm gonna go ahead and spell it out for you only one time. It's We Don't Cook Food. Don't forget, we don't cook food. Just so you guys are up to date and you guys never miss anything. You never know when we're gonna give away our next giveaway. Might be another free pair of Yeezys, might be another free, who knows. But I'm gonna stop talking. Let's dive into this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took these out of the box, out of the bag, whatever you want to call it, so I wouldn't struggle with this. But let me go ahead and show you guys just the bag before we get started. I know the anticipation's probably killing you, but yeah, the bag is kind of dope, I guess. I've never actually owned anything from Crocs, so I don't know if everything comes like this, but true to the collab of Post Malone, shout out Post Malone. True to the collab, we've got the barbed wire signature right there. Posty, you know what's going on. But yeah, that's how the bag came, and not much else to it. But now I'm about to dive into the actual Crocs themselves, and I can't actually believe I'm reviewing Crocs right now. So that's kind of shout out to the power of Post Malone and their marketing and whoever decided to do this collab, because yeah, like I said, I didn't think I'd ever actually own a pair. But yeah, today's release day, December 11th. Last time these released, they sold out immediately. Some pairs went up to $400, $500, up to $900. These retailed for $49, or actually no, they retailed for about $59. I'll go ahead and show you guys everything, and yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so yeah, let us know what you think. Like I said, I didn't think I'd ever have to own a pair of Crocs, nor would I want to own a pair of Crocs, but what do you guys think? Do you think that these are the YEEZY killer? My personal opinion, I think the best part of these is this actual barbed wire. It looks really dope and very like photorealistic, so however they printed that on these, I hope that this video is doing it justice. I mean, it really looks like it's like laying on there, so that's probably my favorite feature. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are these the YEEZY killers? Do you think that Crocs have something viable here? Would you rock them? Would you cook in them? Were you able to cop a pair? I don't know. There were only five stores in the whole country, I think, and two of them were two were in Florida, one in Orlando. Shout out Orlando, you already know, we're cooking for the city. But yeah, at the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put a clip of this little sticker thing, or whatever these are called. Excuse my ignorance, but whatever these are, they had like an additional pack you could get, special edition, so I'm gonna go ahead and include that in there as well. And I'll have a picture of who we actually cooked a pair of these up for, so stay tuned. And as always, thank you guys for cooking with us. Let us know what you think. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Be safe.